In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive link public. We'll walk through getting into Google Drive, uploading a file, and changing its sharing settings so anyone with the link can access it clearly, safely, and without confusion. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive login. Click the official result titled Google Drive, Share Files Online with Secure Cloud Storage. Choose Sign in and log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on My Drive, which is your main workspace. On the left-hand panel, click New. From the menu, choose New Folder. Give the folder a clear, memorable name and click Create. This helps keep your shared content organized, especially if you plan to add more files later. Double-click the new folder to open it. Inside the folder, return to the left panel and click New again. Choose File Upload. A file picker will open so you can locate the video file on your computer. Navigate to where your file is stored, then select it or double-click it to begin uploading. You'll see a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of Drive. Wait for the upload to finish. Larger videos can take a while, so be patient and avoid closing the tab until you see that it's complete. Now let's make the link public. Find your uploaded file, then right-click it and choose Share. If you prefer, you can also click the three dots next to the file and select Share from that menu. In the Share window, look for the General Access section. By default, it typically says Restricted, which means only people you specifically add can view the file. Click Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Next, choose the access level that fits your needs. You can set the role to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. For most public sharing, Viewer is the safest option because it prevents changes to your file. Commenter allows feedback without edits, and Editor lets others modify the file. Use that with care. When you're ready, click Copy Link. This copies your shareable link to your clipboard. Finally, click Done to save your settings and close the sharing window. You can now paste that link into emails, chats, documents, or websites, and anyone with the link will be able to access the file according to the role you selected. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the link doesn't work for someone, double check that general access is set to anyone with the link. And if you're using a work or school account, your organization may limit public sharing, so you might need admin permissions. That's it. You've made your Google Drive link public.